Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And on this channel, we're going to train these two guys, CB2 and AB. All of us on this journey as we train these plumbing apprentices. And take a look at our 2018 highlights of these guys in action. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And if you want to talk to these guys, just hit them up in the comments below. If you have any questions for these guys, please ask them. Do you guys have anything you want to say? All of a sudden, they're speechless. And we'll see you on the job. I think the fridge actually sits in front of the brake.
Yeah, it's in the bag. Might need more.
It's not enough. Go grab like 3 more feet. Yeah, boy. Go hard, Chucky.
Yep.
Nice. All right. There you go. There you go.
Oh, that's a lot more than I thought.
Do it up, CB.
Still lit.
All right, put it on.
Still
Just put on low. Should fire up.
Yeah, still lit.
It didn't fire up though. Turn it up a little bit more. There you go. This is a split system, so now we'll do one half at a time. They should have moved their valves over here, but of course they didn't. Boom. That's all you gotta do. Perfect. Set that right up there. In the bubble. That's what their complaint this time. It was too hard to pull in and out. So that's why we put the grease on.
Oh wait, right here?
Don't grab by that. You want to grab by something flat. There you go. Straight out. Straight in. Now look.
Do you want that up?
Yeah, straight up and down, because this is where the horseshoe clip goes.
Yeah.
Holds it in, okay? Guess what you can go do? Clean up that tub.
What's name,
Angelo.
Put this in your truck.
You gotta tighten the faucet down first. That's gonna happen no matter what. CB2. Is the faucet straight?
Yeah. Wow, look, it looks the same.
want to lose that rubber right there. Go just like this, Chucky. Here we go, Daddy. Alright, so you can lift that up. A little more.
Well, we're keeping all that.
Everything is out. Listen, now we gotta do it systematically, man. All trash out first. Who's number one baller here? Good job, gentlemen. And there goes another satisfied customer.